Well, hi, I'm Brent Hale, and I get the pleasure of being in Fayetteville today at the home of Liz Krauft, making some fantastic cookies with Krauft Cookies. So come on in, let's check it out. We're gonna learn how to do this from start to finish. Hopefully, get to sample a few too. So how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for about 3 years now.
About 3 years.
Yep, 3 years. I do primarily custom orders for people, so birthdays, weddings, baby showers, happy events. So first we're gonna start with dough.
Okay.
So we just start off like most cookie recipes. We need some sugar and some butter. My cookies are kind of a hybrid of a shortbread and a sugar cookie.
Okay.
So they have a nice texture that holds its shape really well. Yeah, if you're a neat freak, this is not
for you.
Not for you. So we're already almost done with our dough.
Excellent.
It's pretty easy.
You have a couple of kiddos.
I do, two boys.
Girls, okay.
2 boys.
And how old are they?
12 and 4.
So I'm guessing they probably hate living in a house that always has cookies.
Oh yeah, it's real rough.
It's real rough on them. Oh, you're trusting me with the flour, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the messy part, so you get to it.
So how precise do I need to be in this?
Not very, just
very.
Just kind of shake it a little and yep.
All right, so there's one.
Rolling it out, several times is fine because it just helps it to keep a nice firm texture.
And the good news is if you screw it up, you can always just eat it.
That's right, you can hide the evidence.
See, like this piece right here, I mean, this is completely unusable.
There's no hope for that one. We're gonna keep it away from the heating element. Take them out, we're gonna put them over here on my cooling rack. Perfect.
Yeah, those look tremendous. So, I mean, no brown edges, nothing like that, just a nice.
Just nice and, I call it blonde. I don't know if that's a real term, but they're not browned at all.
All right, so the cookies out of the oven, they look great, but really it's the decoration and the icing that give them all that flair and the character. So walk us through how we make that icing.
Okay, so we're making royal icing. It's a really specific type that we need to make this type of cookie. Scant tablespoons, half a cup to start.
This entire bag of powdered sugar is going in there.
This entire bag, yes. So there's 2 pounds of sugar. But they're good for the soul. So we're just gonna take out what we need. Just wait, that's all you do. If I have a little bit of extra icing or I've made a couple extra cookies, the 4-year-old Archer in particular really likes to help me.
I bet. All right, here we go.
That is excellent.
That's pretty good. I mean, if I was, a 5-year-old, that would be tremendous. There's no telling how much you could sell that thing for. I think I'm ready for the Cookie Olympics.
Yeah, you're natural at this.
No, we don't want to use that toothpick.
All right, I'm all done. Your turn.
Okay, so you've got our logo now on a cookie, and you're wanting me to do that as well. Yeah, that's no problem. I feel like I've been doing this for all of 5 minutes. I should be able to do that no problem. Don't try this at home, kids. It's very dangerous. Arkansas down there. So I mean, comparatively speaking, 3 years, 3 minutes.
Yeah.
And I think I've done a really good job of not doing a good job. I'm taking too big a bite, but that's incredibly good.